Before wardrobe installation, we need to check accessories and divide into the different cabinets area. This step can fasten the process of installation. Then we can start to install the screws on the panel, and we will check the quantity of lighting stripes. After that, we start to install the wardrobe carcass. Firstly, combine the back panel with the side panel to build a stable structure, so that we can start to install lighting stripe inside, ensuring the stripes can install in the. Then we can install the rest part of the carcass, checking all the screws in be linked together through the panels. After that, we can tighten the screws to reinforce the wardrobe. The rest of wardrobe's unit will finish in the same way. When carcass is stable, we can lift it up to the location and down. For the glass door installation, we need to install the iron beam on the carcass first. Then put the hinges inside the beam installation area and fix with screws. Also check how the hinges work. When all carcasses installation are finished, we will assemble the wardrobe carcass to check if anything need to adjust, and double check the lighting stripe if workable. And finally, when we install a door, we can get a perfect wardrobe unit. Follow us and get more details.